Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Hey, wonders they say shall never end. See, una need to the respect progress the analyst. So, hey, because they bring out they come, even when people don't forget before. I will bring it to this platform. So my beautiful family, today I say let me share this with you because a lot of people they send me message, they tell me say, have you heard what is going on? Hey, Omoyele Sowore, you don't go back to USA, go meet your family. Do you think that they will see release the Kanu the way they release Omoyele Sowore? Hey, they just need to release the Kanu. If not, Sowore and Omoyele Sowore and Nnamdi Kanu, both of them are very close. Say they be two best friends. Say so now when BC they don't release Omoyele Sowore, say they go see the advice the federal government of Nigeria, they advise FG say make they see release Nnamdi Kanu the way they release Omoyele Sowore. They go see they show videos of the time where BC Omoyele Sowore wife can't enter into the gbege, like he can't enter into everything when it happen. Una no say progress the analyst. Me I know they forget something. No, there is something that I said before. The time when all this kata, all this wuru were there for inside IPOB, the time when this thing never reach like this. Hey, when me they come out they announce say no. This problem when e dey for inside IPOB, this fight where be say e dey inside, e got to stop. I go still make reference to say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go add to the success or he go add to the problem. Wetin happen? At a time, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife come out for Radio Biafra. In fact, he come start to go out for program. All this program when they go out, they talk about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, I talk am, and I go still give una the evidence. They really dwell on the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but they talk about the way autopilot be. When autopilot they collect what they never supposed collect, autopilot they be criminal. In fact, he called them a lot of names. Me and you did this social media where be say now only progress the analyst. Now me call the wife like I advise her that time say, mommy, as you dey you be mama Biafra, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife go be the mother of Biafrans. If two children they fight, what you go do now to make peace? I know say at a time you go still got to tell one say, oh, you do wrong, the other one you do wrong, but not to take side. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife, I know say a lot of people not go like this talk when they talk, but I know say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife go like this video, because if she dey follow this my platform, she go know say yes. So that time, now only progress the analyst. Now me stand tell her say no, mommy. You're not supposed to take side. You're not supposed to come to Radio Biafra. Instead, you talk about the release of your husband, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Wetin they talk now about the problem, about her ekperima, about her autopilot, about why they don't be parasite, about why they don't be this, they don't be that. That time, it's not working that way. But una go see one thing where be say Omoyele Sowore wife do. Wetin make me they bring this thing be say, if you see where something dey right, you go talk am. If you see where something dey wrong, you go talk am. That time when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife, they go Radio Biafra, they go all this IPOB program, not to they tell the world about the release of his husband Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but rather they tell them what Simon Ekpa don do and the damage when Simon Ekpa don do. Now they tell me now say they don't release Omoyele Sowore. Me wants to tell una the input where be say the wife of Omoyele Sowore made towards this case. Una when be still IPOB members, now they carry the video, they share the video. They don't release Omoyele Sowore. Omoyele Sowore wife try yo. Una no say that time true be say Omoyele Sowore wife he try. We not hear any case where be say Omoyele Sowore wife called they quarrel. The only people when Omoyele Sowore wife they quarrel with, now the people when they hold the husband. To one next say Omoyele Sowore can enter CNN. Hey, Omo Ajizera, all those big, all the big platform where be say if you talk about anything, they go carry them. That is where Omoyele Sowore wife went to broadcast about the release of the husband, Omoyele Sowore, and the way the federal government of Nigeria was they treat a husband at a time. She don't want time. Wetin happen? She went to all the baby platform. She went to the global houses. When e be say if they talk anything about news, everybody the whole world go hear am. Na so Omoyele Sowore wife do. Na so he put Omoyele Sowore children for front wey be say because they do protest upon protest. All the protests na about the release of Omoyele Sowore. Omoyele Sowore wife no can go anywhere because they cause. Abi una think say when Omoyele Sowore dey inside with the DSS, una think say Omoyele Sowore not get enemies. Una think say there are a lot of people that believed in Omoyele Sowore then that also went their own way. They were afraid, they were scared, they turned back on Omoyele Sowore. They said, no, you go carry your cross, we're not going to join you. How many times when you see Omoyele Sowore wife, cause they come out, cause they quarrel, cause they exchange what they go protest. Instead, they focus on that protest what they go do. They talk about people where be say that they do this, they talk about in-laws, they talk about this. They let the world they understand say, some people they where they did this take it back movement where be say that they do illegal business. May Nigerian government hold them, all those things. They give room to your enemy. Just imagine, they don't make us understand say on 19th of March 2024, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go dey appear for court. This one at the right time for everybody to shine their energy now. So they make broadcast, so they talk about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but no. They go talk about how Simon Ekpa don do one thing, no, how Simon Ekpa don do another thing, no. Meanwhile, this person, they do your own thing. So me now, I can't come back, they remind una, but una see say for a very long time now, we not call they see Nnamdi Kanu wife again. That is the truth. She not call, maybe she don't realize her mistake because that time, people like me, I say, madam, me go advise you, say, as you they come on here, no they talk about anybody, that one not concern you. You don't know when the problem starts and me you not know where it end. Talk about the release of your husband. But for a very long time now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife never come out, can't speak again about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or wetin dey happen for IPOB. Because now wetin is supposed to do now the first time. Now she missed the line. Yes, she missed the line the first time it say start. The time when she take come out, a lot of people, they won't hear wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife go talk. Wetin be the next step when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife go take? Wetin Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife go do? A lot of people they wait, but they got they disappointed. Say the time when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife they come, now the time when you want to talk about Simon Ekpa, now the time when you want to call the so it just be like say all the program when they hold that time. Now about Simon Ekpa, not be about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So what they make me they bring this thing? That they bring this one up because now they call us say, hey, the one I release Omoyele Sowore, or I need to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, me myself I support them. May they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A lot of people they say, hey, see Omoyele Sowore wife, they give her hand though. Say, what did this woman do? When Omoyele Sowore wife, when Omoyele Sowore dey for inside that dungeon, say they not believe her. Yes. This one a testimony of how people supposed to testify about the wife of Omoyele Sowore because she played that role. So me, they try to let una they know say now una they share the video of Omoyele Sowore wife when he carry the matter go CNN, when they talk about the release of her husband, when they say, hey, she's very scared though, she dey scared for the life of her husband though, you don't know when the husband go come back oh, blah 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 blah. Now don't they celebrate the woman, but the time when I tell una say make una not the alamas na the kind of wife they call Radio Biafra they quarrel, or make una not the allow her they come out for like occasionally, or they feel invited say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu wife they call the broadcast to do. People like me, everybody go on listen to what she go talk, but at the end of the day we they hear something different. We know they hear about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, rather now the quarrel when he did for inside IP. na she dey always dey come at dey call dey talk about. Una know say me Progress the analyst, I stand for the truth and I go talk am as e be. I bring this reference back because of people wey be say that dey carry Nnamdi Kanu wife or that dey carry Omoyele Sowore wife, dey compare the two. Una no see wetin Omoyele Sowore do, una see wetin Omoyele Sowore do, but the time when me Progress the analyst dey shout, they tell una say no, wetin Nnamdi Kanu wife dey do no good, make e no put body for this quarrel, rather make she keep on to the hit on the point say make dem release the husband. See Nigerian government see wetin dey do with husband instead of talking about Simon Ekpa. I don't know whether somebody dey understand, because I know say this update now, all this one I dey talk, so people go still come for me. But before you go come for me, I want to make you also check your conscience whether wetin me dey talk so not be truth. Today now, the same people when they support that time when Mazina they come and they call they fight Simon Ekpa, when they do, hey, go ahead, we agree with you, in a hitter for head, parasite, autopilot, auto this, when they talk that time. Now that the same people now they say, Omoyele Sowore wife, you no go fit that compare Nnamdi Kanu wife, Omoyele Sowore wife too dey educated, Omoyele Sowore wife go CNN, Omoyele Sowore wife do this, do that. Una no see na so human be o. The time when you dey do wrong, they no go wan correct you. Now when they don see now say water don pass garri, they know they use now Omoyele Sowore wife now till they compare Nnamdi Kanu wife. Una no see na so human be they be. I wish the first time the same people say no, make Nnamdi Kanu not talk about this issue, make it talk about the release of his husband, and this thing for not be like this. But now the same people now see they tell you now say Nnamdi Kanu wife not try, e not fit do like Omoyele Sowore wife. Now they don't release Omoyele Sowore, e never still too late. Nnamdi Kanu go appear for court on 19th of March, which is few days from now. Wetin yourself don't do about the release of Nnamdi Kanu, or to promote and to let people understand the release Nnamdi Kanu. So my people, I say let me bring this update here, because now social media don kasara. They talk and comparing Nnamdi Kanu wife and Omoyele Sowore. So you yourself, what is your take on it? Do you think that these people they are right saying that Omoyele Sowore wife took extra mile, like extra step to make sure Omoyele Sowore is released, and Nnamdi Kanu wife did not do anything? People now, wow, now can't talk. Please, I want to drop your opinion in the comment section between Omoyele Sowore wife and Nnamdi Kanu wife. What are the difference that you've seen there? Please drop your opinion in the comment section. I will be in the comment section with you, because every day we dey learn. If not be these people carry the matter come say Omoyele Sowore wife too much, Nnamdi Kanu wife never do anything, me I for not talk. But I talk because say the first time me they shout say no, make Nnamdi Kanu wife make it no carry any enmity between anybody because of what they happen now. Today now, the same people where they clap her, they give her since, the same people now I see they come and they talk say she not try. My people, this life not balance. So I bet do when you make sure say you share this video. Make Omoyele Sowore your wife, maybe they get their own comment to comment for this video. Maybe Nnamdi Kanu wife still get your comment to comment on this video. Maybe people when be say they support Nnamdi Kanu wife or Omoyele Sowore wife, or the people when be say they compare their two, go still come this video, come drop their own comment. Wetin they see when made they compare Omoyele Sowore wife and Nnamdi Kanu wife. Me, I don't know. I just they bring the update. They come as I they see her for everywhere. So I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst, as I always bring the update to you back to back. Thank you so much, and bye bye.